Today, I'm going to show you how you can properly dry off a vehicle. Hey everybody, welcome back to Detailed. Now, if you saw my video last week, I showed you how you can wash a vehicle off properly. Today, I'm going to show you how to dry it off. Now, I know this is a different vehicle than what I showed you last week, but I had an opportunity to show off this Mach-E, so I washed it up, and now we're ready to dry. We're just going to use a couple products, OP Ceramic Plus, as well as microfiber towels. Now, if you're wondering why I'm using microfiber towels, you need to go to my first video where I explain everything about microfiber towels. Now, to get started, it's very easy. We're going to take the Ceramic Plus and our microfiber towel. I'm going to spray one spray directly into the towel. Now, take it across a wet surface with just straight lines, just like that. Now, it's not completely dried off, but it's going to be. What it's doing is the Ceramic Plus is a very oily product. So it takes all these tight water beads and shreds them. So that way it dries off more efficiently. This will also save you time and towels. You won't need as many towels. It won't take you as long to dry off the whole vehicle. And you don't have to worry about water spotting as you dry off the whole vehicle. Now, a hood being a little bit bigger, you might want to get another spray in there. Come back over. All right, now we're gonna just keep moving along. We'll come back to this panel and I'll kind of show you what happens as the Ceramic Plus starts to dry out. Now, when you're drying off a vehicle like this, you don't want to use a lot of pressure going down onto the car with your towel. You want the towel and the product, the Ceramic Plus, to work together to dry off the vehicle. You don't need to put a lot of hand pressure down. Now, when one side of your towel is getting too wet, what you can always do if you fold it into fours like this, is you can flip it, get a drier side, and just keep going along. The Ceramic Plus will add about 3 months of protection onto your vehicle, so it makes it a really good maintenance product for in between washes and everything. If you've already got some type of sealant down, like a wax or a ceramic coating, this is really good to maintain those hydrophobics on the surface. One thing that's really cool about Ceramic Plus is you can't find a place where you can't use it on the exterior. It's safe on the glass, it's safe on paint, it's safe on plastic, so you have no worries as far as drying off the vehicle where you can't use this. Another big thing too, as I'm drying this vehicle off, I'm just going in straight lines. And I talked a little bit about this in my video of washing a vehicle, but straight lines are nice because if we are to put any type of scratches in any step of this, drying or washing, it's gonna be a straight line scratch, which is a lot less noticeable than like a circular scratch from a swirl going in a circular motion. Now, as you're drying off the vehicle, you're gonna see these oily, iridescent spots like this. There's nothing to worry about. These areas are just where the Ceramic Plus is drying out and you have an excess. Just take a secondary microfiber towel when you're done and buff that off. It's all good to go. All right, so with just a little Ceramic Plus and a microfiber towel, it just took 5 to 10 minutes to dry off this whole vehicle and only 2 towels. Now, if you're interested in any of these products that we used today, you can look at the links down below. And if you're interested and you like what we're putting out, go ahead and subscribe. We're putting out new videos every week. It was really great drying off a vehicle with you guys. I gotta continue detailing this. I'll see you next week.